Hello, good morning, dear Libras. How are you guys doing? This is a general love reading for all the Libras, single only, okay? And keep this in mind, this might or might not resonate with you because it's not everybody's story, right? So let's start. Okay, and I just want to tell you something else as well. The roles can be reversed anytime. And the second thing that I want to tell you people very quickly is that I have started my Hindi vlog channel that you can watch, and you can see how I live my life, how I became an actor, and how my acting journey is going on, and all about me. Okay, it's all about me and my art. Okay, and I will share the link in the description box. You can watch it. You can subscribe to it if you feel like. Okay, so thank you so much for your love and support. Okay, let's start. Libras, let's start. Your past energy regarding your love life was Libra. Your past energy regarding your love life was. Let's see. I'll just take this deck. Okay. Your past energy regarding your love life was Libras. Let's see what was your past energy. Queen of Wands. So I feel like whomsoever you were connected in the past, Libra, you were deeply, deeply attracted to that particular person. You were very passionate about that particular person. This was like a flirty relationship, a very a physically good relationship. You can say chemistry. Lots of physical chemistry between you guys was there, and you were really, really enjoying this connection. Physically, more than emotionally, I feel like you were physically involved with this particular person, and you were very passionate about them. This is the situation. Okay, let's clarify the past energy regarding your love life. Let's clarify. Okay, Five of Wands, the Devil in reverse, and the Judgment in reverse. My God, two cards in reverse. So I feel like there was some kind of conflict going on between you guys. Okay, and you were feeling like you're stuck somewhere. You're stuck with this particular person. You are not able to leave them. You are not able to stay with them. There was internal conflicts going on, and I feel like Libras, you guys were fighting with each other very, 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 very much. It was not like a normal fight that you guys were doing, but it was something very, very serious, and it drained you and it drained the other person too. And the devil in reverse is telling me that you were not able to come out of this situation. You were trying your best to come out of this situation. You were trying your best to come out of this toxicity, this negativity that this relationship is holding, and the hold that this person had on you, that was making you mad, that was making you crazy. And forgiveness, I feel like you were not ready to give this person another chance. There was a time when you were like, okay, I'm just walking away from this situation. I'm not going to give you any kind of another chance. I'm not going to forgive you, no matter how hard you are going to try. So this is the situation. Okay, I feel like this connection was more physical than emotional. That's why all this shit happened between you guys. Okay, fine. So Libra, let's see what's your current energy regarding your love life. What's your current energy? Let's see. Your current energy regarding your love life, Libras, right now is Ten of Swords. So you are feeling like somebody backstabbed you, somebody betrayed you, somebody did something very wrong with you, and I feel like you're coming out of that situation. Although you are feeling backstabbed, although you are feeling betrayed, although you are feeling like this is the worst that could happen to me in terms of love and relationship, you are coming out of this situation slowly but surely. This is the situation here. This is what's your current energy. You're coming out of this painful situation, this backstabbing, this betrayal thing. Okay, let's clarify. Eight of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Three of Cups. Okay, so I feel like now you are feeling like the past is over and the betrayal is over. Everything is fine now. Still, you are mentally conflicted. Still, you are in some kind of mental jail, some kind of jail. You could be in a literal jail for some of you, 1% of you. Okay, and I feel like you are still connected to this particular person from the past, and you are feeling like you are in some kind of mental jail. You are trying your best to heal from the situation. You are trying your best to focus on yourself only, focus on your money, your business, your things. Okay, your every shit. Okay, and that's your constipation. Yeah, I don't know why I'm feeling like some of you guys are really constipated and you just want to relieve in terms of emotions. I'm telling you, not like literal constipation. Okay, and you're ready for reconciliation. See, although you're feeling like this was the worst that could happen to you, still you are ready for this reconciliation thing. still you're carrying this energy. Your current energy is right now telling me that you're ready for reconciliation. You're ready to give this person another chance. Okay? Okay. Fine, if it's what you want, then let it be. Let's see what the past person feels for you, Libra. Let's see what the past person feels for you. Let's see what they feel for you. Ten of Pentacles. I feel like this person right now is feeling happy in their own world. Might be. Okay. I will check it out if they are feeling this for you. But I feel like right now their feelings for you are like, okay, I just want to work on myself right now. I just want to work on my finances, my stability right now. Then I will see whether I want Libra back in my life or not. Okay. This is just for some of you, and for others of you, I will clarify what's this. Okay. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles in their feelings for you. The Death could be dealing with the Scorpio, Queen of Cups, and the Hierophant could be dealing with the Taurus. Okay. Okay, so Libra, what I'm getting here is that this person is going through major transformation in their life right now. This person is not the same as they used to be. Okay, this person has been completely changed. So it's like this person is no more the same person. They are going through some kind of shit in their life, and that's transforming them into a new person. Typically a new person, definitely a new person that they're not the same as you knew them in the past. Now this is the situation. Whenever you are going to go to them or talk to them, you are going to feel the change, feel the shift in their energy. They are emotionally stable now, much more emotionally stable now than in the past. So I feel like this person is now working on their spirituality, working on their opening up of chakras and some kind of spiritual things that they are doing right now. And right now this person is concerned about them only. I feel like this person is busy doing some accumulation of wealth and doing some kind of stuff of business, or their work, their job, their life, their personal health, their personal growth. So I feel like this person right now is busy in their own life, and I feel like this person is not associated with somebody else right now, but they are single, very much single, and they are just focusing on themselves, and they're really happy doing that. Yeah, this is their feelings. And now you are going to say these are not the feelings actually, these are what they are doing right now, but these are their feelings actually. Their feelings right now for you are that they want to work on themselves, they want to be stable in their own life, they want to be emotionally stable, they want to be spiritually connected to the divine right now. They are not feeling any kind of feeling for you right now. This is the situation here. Their feelings are turning into something constructive, not destructive. This is good. Okay, let's see if you are connected to somebody new, or if you are allowing somebody new in your life, or what's your energy towards a new relationship. Let's see. The Empress. So I feel like right now you are also working on yourself, Libra. You are also doing your own stuff. You are busy, working on your physique, working on your looks, working on your job, working on your environment. More than a job or more than money, you are busy working on your physique. You are trying to look good. You are trying to smell good. You are trying to just flirt with people. This is a healthy flirting. This is not type of flirting where you are going to just sleep with somebody. It's not like that. It's like you're just trying to be looking good and feeling good in your own skin. This is the situation. Might be you are just trying to create a mask on your face that I'm really happy, I don't need anybody in my life. This is the situation here. Let's clarify further what you are trying to do. Yeah, Ten of Pentacles for you as well. Temperance and the World. Okay. Okay. So I feel like you are also working on yourself. I told you so. You are also trying to work on your money, your business, your good looks, your worth, and your everything. It is like all about you. And you're trying to be really very patient, very patient in everything that you are doing right now. You're showing tremendous patience right now. And Libra, I feel like you are now feeling like I should just be emotionally balanced, because somewhere deep down you are feeling like you are not emotionally balanced, and you need balance in your life, and you feel like there's still some kind of unfinished business between you and this particular person whomsoever you were connected with in the past. Okay, and I feel like you want to finish that business, finish that last drop. You want a closure from this particular person. Okay, although you are trying to work on yourself, you are trying to work on your healing, your money and everything. You are just trying to heal from a situation, and you want to finish the unfinished thing between you guys. You still feel like there is something between you guys, and that could be healed, might be, or there's a chance that everything is going to be fine between you guys from your side. This is what I'm getting. Let's see what's coming towards you till the end of June. Let's see. Libras, what's coming towards you till the end of June? Let's see. Let's see. King of Wands in reverse. Okay. So I feel like what's coming towards you till the end of June, I feel like this person is coming back towards you. Okay, there's no doubt in that. That I'm not feeling any kind of doubt in that. But there will be lack of passion in this connection. There will be lack of communication in this connection, and this is not going to be the same as it was. The relationship is never going to be the same as it was in the past. Might be you guys were having lots of physical chemistry, physical love, and all that thing. But I feel like till the end of June, that's not going to happen again, and I feel like they're lacking this intimacy, they're lacking the passion, they're lacking the intimacy in this connection. And this is what you are going to feel till the end of June, like that, like you're missing something from your life. You're missing the fun, you're missing the physical intimacy, you're missing the physical touch, you're missing the intimacy. This is the situation. Let's clarify. Page of Wands, the Page of Swords, Two of Pentacles. So you are doing that because might be you are trying to start this connection all over again. You are spying on them, Libra. You are spying on them, or either you are spying on them or they are spying on you. Might be you both are doing that. Okay, and I feel like this person wants to communicate with you, but they are really confused, really confused. What to do? What to do? Okay. So I feel like what I'm saying to you, like what to expect, what is coming towards you till the end of June. It's like you only. I'm not saying that this is the other person right now doing that. This is you only. You are trying to connect with this particular person, and you are just spying on them. You're seeing them. You're watching them. What they are doing on internet, what they are doing on social media, and you're very confused. Very confused about this particular person from the past. That what should I do? What should I do? Whether I just should talk to them, whether I should reveal them what I need from them, or just or should I just stay back and be my own emperor or empress? This is your situation. This is what you are going to do till the end of June. Confusing energy, confusion. Okay, so my palms are itching right now. I don't know why, but yeah. So Libras, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this reading will give you some insight till the end of June, and you will be able to decide for yourself what is good for you and what is not working out for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste.